Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you come back again and again and again. If today is not your first time, then you must be a returning viewer or a returning subscriber. I love you for always coming back. So let us get right into this video, guys. I made this gorgeous looking get affordable headband wig. It's a crochet headband wig. So I want to show you how I did it. If you're interested in that kind of content, then you want to stick around and keep on watching, okay? After placing the wig cap over the mannequin head, now I placed the headband across it on top of the wig cap. Yes, up to the extent where I'm going to be cutting the wig cap off. So this headband is sort of going to serve as your frontal. Yes, this is substituting or taking the place of your frontal, like when you're doing making your wigs. To be pinning the headband wig down in 3 places, one in the middle of the mannequin head and the 2 on either side of the mannequin ear, that is below the mannequin ears. That is what I did to just have that secure down while I sew the headband onto the wig cap. Okay, so after pinning those down, I just started off sewing the headband onto the wig cap. I started from the center of the mannequin head to the right hand side, and then after finishing off that side, I went ahead and sewed also again from the center of the head to the other side. You can start from ear to ear, it doesn't matter where you start from.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner
Prevent
twice
this
as bright.
video
They'll be
actually
my treasures
from too long,
forever.
I
When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights.
sewing method that I'm
Stockholm
using.
lights.
What I just did was I just imitated the kind of sewing method that you can see on the headband itself, which resembles what I think is the hemming method.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
The hair that I used for this crochet wig is the X-Pression collection crochet braids. I already showed you the pack at the beginning of the video. I got it for 1,100 naira at that time. That was like last year, around lockdown period last year. I got it from an Instagram page, Sags Beauty. At that time, I was looking for somewhere to buy hair because all the non-essential stores were locked. So I was just looking for an online store to be able to buy something, to be able to create different hairstyle looks, because that was around the time I started my YouTube channel. Yes, I've been here for like a year now, you guys. You guys, it's so amazing. So I got it from Saks Beauty Supply Store. You can go check her out. You're going to see her name right here. She's awesome. Her page helps you to stay on a budget, which is what this video is actually about. Look at you guys. For this total look, I spent, calculating it now, it cost me about 2,300 naira in total, including the cost of the wig cap and the cost of the headband. Just 2,300 naira, or let's just say 2,500 naira if the prices of these things have gone up. You guys, that is a steal. Now I'm going to use this wig for a couple of times. I've used this already for a week, and maybe I'll just take a break from it and rock some other wigs. But guys, I'm going to have this for as long as I can maintain it. That is a steal. Okay, so yeah. By the way, guys, if you're yet to subscribe, please kindly do me the favor and hit the subscribe button while you're watching this video. Give me a thumbs up. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. It matters and it helps my video a lot. It helps my video to be shared to more people. So always remember to leave the feedback, leave me a comment, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, keep on watching. You guys, after I filmed installing the nape area, the air onto the nape area, I thought I was still filming, and look at me, I don't have footages from that point up to here. Like, the devil tried me, you guys. But we're going to work with what we have. Okay, so the only difference between what I had been doing before we got to this point is that I was leaving about 1.5 inches space between each crocheted hair, but now, since we're getting closer to the top of the head, to the crown of the head, I decided for it to be more concealed and to give it more volume, and just to hide the net, I decided to do them a lot closer together to each other. So I started installing the hair closer to each other, as you can see, and I even did it a lot closer when it got to the very edge of the headband, as you're going to see here. Right now what I'm just doing is I'm trying to fill out the sparse area between the wig cap and the headband, just to prevent any occurrence of any net visuals by the time you're rocking the hairstyle. So that is what you're seeing me do here. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. You guys, do you feel this look? Can you see this hair? Who would know that this hair only cost me 2,300 naira to do? Like, who would know? Well, you guys know now. So I think I deserve a huge thumbs up for this. Please do not forget to leave me one in the comment section and let me know what you think about this wig. And yeah, subscribe if you are yet to do so, and I'm gonna catch you on my very next one. Stay tuned. Bye.